So, time for a little bit of an update. I've started disassembling the Tesla. I've stripped most of the parts out of it. I've picked up a second-hand stat ride-off chassis for a Sprinter, stripped that down, and now I'm looking to move the parts from the Tesla over. This is a little bit different to my original plan of just dropping one motor into a Sprinter. I'm now considering to transfer all the Tesla parts into the Sprinter and just see what happens, because once you've got all the bits there, what's another step in that direction? So I'll take you for a quick walk through. The shop is messy because all the parts have come out, scattered around, but here it is. So bumper components, various bits and pieces, tools left lying everywhere. This is the AC units out. Most of the plugs are labelled. I've taken the dash out on the inside. That came out quite nicely. I probably disassembled it a little bit more than I needed to in order to get it out, but it'll just make it easy doing the transfer. So walking down through the shop, all the bits just scattered. And then when you get down here, there's the dash from the Sprinter. And here is the Sprinter chassis. So just mucked around and just placed the Tesla rear drive assembly underneath. Looks pretty cool, which has sort of got me thinking, why disassemble that to attach it to the old Sprinter diff when it is just a really nice piece of engineering. So that's sort of part of the inspiration to go further down the Franken Tesla path. Here is the Sprinter cab all stripped out. Still got the old steering column. It almost fits, like it's the same sort of diameter. Splines look like they line up. However, there's a couple of flats on the Tesla steering wheel that'll stop it from fitting directly on. But I think I'm going to try the Tesla bits first. So as you can see, all the bits there. Come around the front. Almost everything out. You can see the front sub frame for the Sprinter is still in, and the total weight of this Sprinter chassis with that front assembly in is 650 kilos, and I'm guessing that sub assembly and wheel arrangement will weigh around about 200 kilos like the rear diff. Surprising, but it's heavier than the whole Tesla motor and suspension assembly. So that's sort of what's inspiring me to go lighter rather than go heavier. Granted, I lose a lot of GVM, so this is a 3.5 ton or a bit over 3.5 ton GVM vehicle, but a lot of that weight is actually the components in it. So I'm thinking if I reduce all the weight, reduce all the components, I might end up actually still having a decent payload, whilst having good performance. And I think Tesla's done such wonderful work with their engineering that if you start mixing it, matching it, you'll get sort of unknown performance or unknown reliability, and not a whole lot of benefit. But let's see how it goes. I'll talk to you in the next video.